and tell your friends about it. About it. Tell them about it. Cheers. Do you like these? Yeah. Nah. They cute. Nah. They cute. So now what I'm looking for into a snow puzzle that I can wear that with shorts. I can't believe when I'm covered. What do you have to think? Asante.
The next day.
Hi guys, good morning on a Friday, morning on a good Friday, good morning on a good Friday guys. I woke up very early today. I finally took out these braids because my hairline was saying bye bye my beach. The time Beniti Gizoinenga guys, this hairstyle Beniti Gizoinenga because this weekend I'm going away, but I know, my Helen said no. My Helen said, my sister, when you come back from that weekend, I'm gonna be gone. But anyway, I'm kidding guys. Welcome back to another video. My name is Siphesihle Mbuli and thank you for joining me today. So I'm getting ready to go wash my hair and I think I'm gonna do my nails because I haven't done my nails in a while. I think I might pack later on. I'm going to a show by the way tomorrow on Saturday. Today's Friday by the way, Friday the 24th of November. I'm so fucking oily and my skin is also quite exposed. But anyway, I'm whispering because other people are still resting in this house because it's very early. It's vroeg in the morning. Woke up around 4:30. Imagine, I've been up from 4:30. I'm going to do my skincare and take a bath. And yeah, this video specifically, I think it's going to be I want to call it a vacation prep, but then I'm only going away for like 24 hours. But then also, like, I'm just going to a show, guys. not even like, it's a mini short lived. It's like a mini trip. It's not even like a huge vacation. I don't know if I'm making sense, but yeah, I think I'm gonna make this video a prep. I'm gonna do my hair, nails, pack for tomorrow, and yeah, also I want to show you guys after I finish taking a bath. I want to show you guys what I got yesterday. I went shopping yesterday with my sister. I went shopping and I want to show you guys the things I got. I also got a parcel from Take a Lot earlier this week. I think it was Wednesday. I think I'm going to do an unboxing when I finish taking a bath before I head to the salon. So yeah guys, welcome to another video. Hope you guys are going to enjoy this, and thank you guys again for constantly supporting me and watching my channel, engaging, commenting, all the things you guys do. Shout out to you. Shout out to you guys. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Comment, engage down below guys. Share the video, like the video. Do all the things that needs to be done for your girl, okay? But I'll talk to you guys after I finish taking a bath. Guys, I know I said I'm going to show you what I got yesterday, but I'm looking at the time and it's not in my favor. I think I have to head out to the salon because salons get full on Fridays. So I don't want to be there the whole day. So I think I should just head out and fix my hair. And I think I'll show you guys the things when I'm packing because it's mostly essentials that I need for the trip. So I think I'll just show you guys everything when I'm packing later on. So right now let me head out. Oh my gosh, I'm sweating. It's so hot today guys. Pray for me, pray for your girl, because today is 39 degrees. 39 degrees. Just got my nails done guys. I'm back from the salon and this is the set that I got. Very simple and cute. Love them, love them. I can take cute like guys. Ew. Anyway guys, I promised you guys a haul and let's get into that. By the way, I ended up deciding to do cornrows, just something simple, gashes, and I'm gonna be wearing a bucket hat the whole weekend. So yeah, also you guys saw my nails, but I'm gonna show you guys again. So Frenchies for the girlies, okay? Frenchies for the girlies. Okay, but let me not waste time. Let's get into the haul, guys. Oyashis. So we are going to start with Mr. Price. Mr. Price. Okay, first things first. I got this bag. I think this is what I'm gonna use. This is what I'm gonna pack my things for the weekend in. This was 180, 179. Okay, next item I got. I wanted to center my outfit for tomorrow around cargo pants. So I got these. I think they're cute. I got these ones from Mr. Price. They were $2.99 guys. That time they're not even that strong, but they're cute. So we'll see how the outfit looks tomorrow. But yeah, that's second thing I got. Okay, last but not least, I got these two crop tops. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but I got these two crop tops. One is black, one is like nude brownish. Yeah, I also went to Clicks and Discount for some essentials. So yeah, we're gonna start with Clicks. Let's start with Clicks. first thing I got was this body mist, and I got wipes. Obviously I'm out of wipes and your girl need wipes. Vaseline, hand cream, and lastly I got sanitizer. I know it's post-COVID, but we still need sanitizer, guys. And then from this chem, okay, ad break. Okay, and then this chem I got pads because it might be that time of the month this weekend, so yeah. And then I also got sunscreen. At that time, guys, I ordered the sunscreen on Takealot because I never find it at this camp, and yesterday I found it and I took it because you can never have too many sunscreens. Okay, and then I got Lux soap, and then I got mouthwash. Obviously I had to get gum. Got gum for the weekend. Guys, it's so hot. Guys, it's so hot. We're gonna die today. Guys, pray for us this community. Pray for us in Richards Bay, because what is this? Anyway, moving right along. That time I'm filming this for you and I'm dripping sweat like this. Hey then.
It's so hot. It's like I'm burning in hot water or in fire. I'm so burning, guys. I need a swimming pool. Well, it's so hot. Akushushu. Hey, I shame.
And then lastly, I got grandpa. Don't come here telling me grandpa's not good for you. What? Grandpa's my girl. Grandpa is my fighter, okay? Grandpa will always be that girl. So yeah, I got 25 of these in case other people need it. You'll never know. And then last thing on this haul, this is not from Discount, guys, it's from Fashini. Hey, Sizobosha. But yeah, I got these bracelets. I got these dupes. They're very cute. They are 150. Yeah, can't wait to rock these, honestly. But yeah, guys, that was it. I want you guys to see it up close. Yeah, that's how hot it is today. I think I'm gonna pack tomorrow because look at me, guys. Look at me. There's no way I'm packing right now or tonight or whatever. But yeah, guys, that's the end of the haul. Yeah, I'll see you guys either when I'm packing, or I'll see you guys on the next video. And the next video is going to be us going to a show where we're going to Ngodini Bundu's games. They have an annual event that they host around November, so yeah, that's where we're going. It's gonna be fun, it's gonna be interesting. I don't want to say no. You're broken down and no.